Hello, welcome to The New Sound. Today we'll explore measures or bars and how they relate to the music we make. Now, what is a measure or a bar? A measure or bar is a basic unit of time in music, containing a set number of beats. In a DAW, measures are shown as vertical lines across the tracks. These lines help you organize and align your music precisely. Time signatures tell you how many beats are in each measure. For example, the 4/4 time signature has two numbers. The top 4 tells you that there are 4 beats in each measure. The bottom 4 tells you what type of note counts as 1 beat. In this case, a quarter note, which is 1/4 of a whole note, gets 1 beat. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can adjust measures in your DAW by changing the time signature or tempo. This flexibility is great for experimenting with different rhythms and styles. Let's look at an example. Here's a project in our DAW. Notice the measures at the top. If I change the time signature, the spacing of the measures changes. Understanding measures or bars is key in music production. It helps in arranging your song, keeping your instruments in time, and gives structure to your music. Thanks for watching. Keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.